This video will show you how to replace the wheel nut cap on a GMC Sierra 2500. You'll have these along each one of your wheels. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to replace the wheel nut cap, we want to remove the entire wheel cover. I'm using a 22 millimeter. We can start loosening each of these. Once we have it off, we can get it over to the bench. Now we've got our cap on the bench. The process for each one of these will be the same. Go ahead and pick the one that you're planning on replacing. I'm going to lift it up. At this point, we're going to be using some cutters. We're going to make several slits in this, and then we have to press it out towards the outboard side. Now after you've made your slits, you want to carefully start pressing this inward while pressing it down and out of position. Of course, we're being careful for any pinch points. You can use a flat blade screwdriver if necessary, whatever's easiest for you. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we want to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting area. We'll start on the inboard side here. I'm using a clean rag. You don't need to use any type of detergents. We'll just make sure nothing's damaged here. Now we can turn this over. Let's clean and inspect this side as well. Now it's time for installation of the brand new wheel nut cap. Now for this, you're going to find that the very end of it is beveled. So we're going to line this up. We'll lift up on the cap and press it into position. Gonna need some pressure here. There we are. That should still move around, but not slide out of place, just like all others. Let's get this on the vehicle. Let's get this in place. Now, when you go to install this, we want to do it by hand. If you use an impact tool, you could potentially cause some damage. We'll just make our way all the way around, gently bottoming them out. Double check to make sure that your wheel cap is properly secured in place. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.